Is your laptop or tablet feeling sluggish? Upgrading to an SSD is the easiest way to boost performance, and the KingSpec mSATA drive is an affordable option. In this video, we'll put this little drive to the test, running speed tests and benchmarks to see if it delivers. We'll cover installation, performance, and whether it's worth your money. Plus, we'll explore if this KingSpec SSD is right for your device. Click the link below for more info, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech upgrades.